Welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. We are going to do project number 3 in the August 2022 paper pumpkin kit called Sweet Sunflowers. And so this is the card we're going to make. It's just a few more pieces than the other 2 cards. We need the thank you along with the little die cut that it goes with. We're going to need one of the sunflower die cuts, and we're going to take our soft suede and we're going to stamp the middle on it. And once that's done, we're going to take our crushed curry and we're going to stamp our sunflower on it. And then we actually double stamp with the sunflower. We ink it up, we stamp it down once, we ink it up again, and we quarter turn and we stamp it down again so that we get a really, really full effect. So let's get started. The first thing we need to do is we need to stamp our greeting. I'm going to take the soft suede. I'm going to ink up the thank you. And I'm going to stamp it off just to make sure that I've got good coverage, and I do. This one's really, really good. So I'm just going to ink that up again. Lots of ink on there. And just pop it down on the on the die cut. So there we go. That's done. Now I need to take the soft suede. I need to ink up my sunflower center, okay, and actually put it in the center of my die cut. So there we go. There's the sunflower center done. So then I need to take my crushed curry. And I don't know if it matters which way around we do this because the sunflower itself is smaller than the stamp. So I'm just going to ink this up really well. I'm going to stamp it away. Oh, that's gorgeous. Okay, so I'm going to ink this up again, making sure I have got good coverage. And then I line it up so it's in the middle like that. Now, paying attention to how I stamped this, except I just moved that. I stamped it this way, so I'm going to need to stamp it this way when I put it back down. So I'm going to ink this up again. If you need to, you can put a piece of washi tape or a little felt mark on your stamp so that you know which way round you need to have it. So there. Oh wow, that is gorgeous. Look at that. The double stamping on there just makes it pop. It's just lush. Okay, so now we get to build the card. So I'm just going to fold this over, use my edge to crimp that down a little bit. Okay, we need to build this card. So this is a landscape card. So what I need to do is I need to take this little set of flowers here, and I need to put adhesive dots on it. And they're telling me I need one right on this top flower here, and then one on each of the leaves, like that. Okay. And do I put this down right away? Yes, I do. I can put this down right away. Now this is really quite delicate. There we go. So we'll just peel all these off. And then this goes down right here, like this. There we go. So that's attached down. Now we need to do the same thing with the mesh that we did on the other one. And it goes on like this, but I need to put a couple of glue dots or adhesive dots on the back like this. And then we'll just peel the backing off. Okay, and then this goes down over here like this. And apologies for the dog barking in the background. And then I need to put, where have I put my greeting? I need to dimensionalize my greeting like this and like this. And then I need to put it down. Oops, let's put this down right here. It just kind of goes right like this. There you go. And there's a little bit of the mesh there, a little bit of the honeycomb, I guess, a little bit there and a little bit there. Now we need to take our sunflower, and it goes on like this, but we need to put, this is already dimensionalized, so we need to put one glue dot here. So let's pick up a glue dot and just pop it down there like that. Okay, and then we need dimensionals on the other side. They're calling for 2. So we'll put those on. So part of the good thing about building these as I go, not having pre-built them, is I'm getting exactly the same experience that you're getting when we put these together. So there we go like that. And now I need to take the bumblebees and I need to put a dimensional on each of the bumblebees like this. And then this bumblebee goes here. And then the second bumblebee goes on the other side. So this is the third card or third project in the kit for August 2022. It's a paper pumpkin kit called Sweet Sunflowers. Isn't that just gorgeous? I love that. So the next one we're going to do is the bonus one that comes with the gold honeycomb paper. So stay tuned for that, and then we'll do an alternate, and then you have to wait another day for the next video. So thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned.